champion here in WWE. I'm sure Chris Jericho is a favorite to be the first ever Universal Champion.
Oh, certainly is. I'm a four-time WWE Champion.
Again, the winner of this match faces Finn Balor in our main event tonight. The winner of our main event will face Seth Rollins for the WWE Universal Champion.
Why would you be surprised? Seth Rollins deserves a bye. Seth Rollins didn't lose at Battleground. Seth Rollins never lost the championship to begin with. On draft pick, and Seth deserves everything he gets.
Battling back and never say die attitude. Coming off what many are saying was a match of the year candidate last night against Kevin Owens. Hurricane Rana by Sami. Launches Jericho out of the ring, takes out Sheamus.
Two absolute icons of our industry doing battle at the showcase of the Immortals.
And it's one thing to come back, but to come back.
And Corey, this is in Sami's wheelhouse.
See that wacky looking.
Spiking Sami Zayn, and Sami stays. Great WrestleMania matches in this man's career, but nothing like what has transpired tonight. Goosebumps of Undertaker coming down the ramp, and now flying clothesline to Cena.
Two absolute icons of our industry doing battle at the showcase of the Immortals.
And it's one thing to come back over this.
Undertaker focused in the zone. Are we going to see it? Are we going to see The Undertaker in the Superdome at WrestleMania? Go old school. Down goes Cena.
I bet right about now John Cena's regretting calling down the dead man.
Well, he said at one point, you're too old, you're not broken down, you're not this, you're not that. Clearly, that got under the skin of The Undertaker, and he took it serious.
It would be WrestleMania without The Undertaker. It brings out something special in the dead man. And now, down goes Cena.
On draft pick, Seth deserves.
And the big leg drop by The Undertaker.
Undertaker is moving.
Go behind. And now Undertaker in trouble. And Cena buys himself some time and realizes this could be his moment. Set up! Cena stopped in his tracks!
John just saw a ghost.
Cena's going for a ride! Slam with authority!
How high did he get?
The franchise player is about to encounter the Reaper.
Undertaker! Tombstone! Pile driver! Rest in peace, John Cena! Tombstone!
I bet right about now John Cena's regretting calling down the dead man.
Well, he's a steel chain! Beats the John Cena for a great matchup!
The Undertaker. One thing we saw tonight was a different Undertaker.
Yes, sir, we saw a different Undertaker, an evil, a focused, a violent, a dangerous Undertaker. Did he demonstrate his loyalty to Paul Heyman?